Hello and welcome to Yoga with Waihan. Today we have a sequence for the lower back. I very much believe in the healing power of yoga. Hop on the mat and let's learn yoga for the lower back pain. Let's bring the legs into diamond shape. Rest your hands on your legs, close your eyes and deepen your breath. Take a few moments in this practice. Focus on your body and the present moment. You can even count the length of your inhale and exhale breathing. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your knees together and feet flat on the ground. You can place your hands either behind the thighs or on top of your knees. Moving through seated cat-cows. As you inhale, pull the chest and belly forward, lift the gaze. When you exhale, round the spine, straighten out the arms, chin to chest. Inhale, lift the heart, gaze up. And exhale, chin to chest, round through the spine. Keep moving here on your own, warming up the spine. Feel the movement in your body with your eyes closed. Breathing in and out as you round your spine, chin to chest. Taking a few more rounds here, breathing in evenly and out through the nose. Come back to the center, straighten the right leg, left bend, and bring the foot to the inside of the right thigh. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, fold forward. Option, you can bend the right knee and focus your attention on your breath. Inhale, lift yourself up and hug your left knee into your chest. And wrap the right arm around the leg. Exhale and twist to the left. Gaze, look at your left shoulder. Inhale, sit up tall. As you exhale, give yourself another twist. Release the twist. Open the left knee out to the side. And turn your torso to the side. Place your right hand on the inside of your right leg. And reach your left arm overhead. Continue your deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. Inhale, bring yourself up and we'll switch sides. Extend the left leg, bend the right knee, bringing the foot to the inside of the left thigh. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, fold forward. Options to bend the left knee to make it more accessible. Inhale and lift back up. Hug the right knee into your chest and wrap the left arm around the leg. Right hand behind the mat. Gaze look at your right shoulder. Each inhale, sit up tall. As you exhale, twist a little bit more deeper. Without forcing anything, adjust your posture as you feel most comfortable at this present moment. Release the twist. Bring your right knee out to the side and turn your torso to the side. Now place the left hand on the inside of your leg. Reach the right arm overhead to bend to the side. Stay here for a couple breaths. Deep breathing in and breathe out completely. Bring yourself up and extend the right leg forward. Now seated upright. Inhale, relax your shoulders, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, move your torso forward towards your thigh. Option, you can keep your knees bent. Continue your deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. Slowly lift yourself up and lie on the mat. Keep your knees bent and bring your feet close to the backs of your hips. Inhale, press through your heels and lift your hips to come up to the bridge. Option, to clasp the hands together to help you lift the chest. Engage your glutes muscle as you stay here for another 2 more breaths. Take a final deep breath in. As you exhale, roll yourself down onto the mat. Feel your body firmly grounded onto the mat. Now hug your right knee into your chest. Take another 1 more inhale. As you exhale, draw the leg towards the left side of your mat. And hold it here. Extend your right arm shoulder height and turn your gaze to your right fingers. As we pause here, take another few more breaths. Deep inhale for 5 seconds. As you exhale for 5 seconds. Release the twist and switch legs, hugging the left leg into your chest. Inhale in position. As you exhale, draw the leg to the right side of the mat. Left arm shoulder height, and your gaze look at your left fingers. Deep inhale fully and exhale completely. Release the leg and extend the left leg. Arms by your side and settle into relaxation pose, Shavasana. Feel your body firmly grounded on the mat. Close your eyes. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax your eyebrows, your shoulders, your arms. Relax. Relax your upper back, your lower back. Relax your hips. Become aware of the present moment, slowing down your breath. Observe your thoughts. Release all tensions that no longer serve you. You can slowly move your fingers, your toes, and bring yourself back to the present moment. Bend both knees to your chest and hug your knees. Gently rock your body to the left and to the right. Turn yourself to the side and press yourself up into seated position. Take a deep inhale, both arms up, and exhale, palm, heart, center. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, palm, heart, center. One more time, inhale, arms up. And exhale, palm, heart, center. Namaste.